Okay, we're back. There's been no dialogue in this cutscene, so...
I'll never be a ranger. What?
Not a spaceship that would... go against exactly what I just said.
I don't think he becomes a ranger. I feel like I'm playing Final Fantasy right now.
Well, with all the cutscenes?
It's mostly cutscenes.
I think once everything's established, we will get less cutscenes.
3, 2, 1.
Why would a crash ship have a self-destruct mechanism?
Sister board appears to be intact.
Trying to hide some kind of technology.
Get to Alero City. They are in danger. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, who's in danger? An
Really?
army is coming. I must warn them. Hang on, slow down.
Oh yeah, I remember actually hearing about that.
What do you say we get you back to my garage?
That's Zach, by the way, so people don't think that I just stepped away from the microphone.
Thank you. I appreciate
People tell me that I sound exactly like Zach over
You
microphone.
sound similar. Like if I only had to guess off of hearing you guys, I could maybe assume you guys were related.
Clank. My name's Ratchet.
This origin was stolen from Green Lantern.
Up and
Just kidding.
Was he doing this with the ring?
You're a natural.
When he got the ring? Was he shaking its hand? Or...
A wrecked spaceship with
Oh.
with a alien inside. I guess
yeah.
a robot, but
I was thinking more Superman. Superman was an alien crashing the spaceship that someone else found.
it's true.
And they shook his hand eventually.
You want to be our son? Shake on it?
Large gaps where child's play to Ratchet.
Oh, my
All
gosh.
he would need to get across is a trusty swing shot and a little bravado.
Well, I'm real glad they tell me how to. Okay.
I'll just wait.
For our fur
Yeah.
hero, a conveniently placed crate provided Ratchet with a combustor.
Last episode went a little long, so this is going to be shorter
Okay.
by a bit. We went like 18 minutes or something.
Oh, really? It's
Yeah.
all those cutscenes, man.
Yeah, I don't want to end on a cutscene and then I forget that we're on a timer.
You're out of ammo. Wait, am I supposed to... Okay.
Oh, you got a
it.
gun. Did you just get this gun?
Perhaps you could
Yes.
shoot something to
Okay.
open the door.
I don't feel bad for not noticing.
My sensors indicate that.
What did they indicate?
Nice work.
My sensors indicate we should shoot anything with a green light on it.
That's the old saying, if it glows, shoot it. These guys are all glowing. My aim's impeccable.
Blarg, what are they doing here?
Did you hit both of those guys with one shot each?
My data banks that pose a threat to Chairman Dredd.
No,
Oh,
I miss.
I was going to be impressed.
Your planet.
Because it looked quick.
Grim, listen to me.
I think there's an auto aim.
Garage doors and then head
Oh,
down.
Oh, really?
I'll be there as soon as
Just gotta like aim towards them. You're getting wrecked.
This is hard mode. You just got serpentine to get to him.
I think that's all of them.
Wait, why are there people here? I was honestly afraid I wouldn't make
Is
it.
that a Blarg dropship? Correct. Model X6Z to be exact. Also known as
Oh gosh.
the dropship of death.
Wow. Through the game, you're just gonna keep doing that. That's a black motorcycle, also known as the motorcycle of death.
Oh, is it supposed to be shooting that fast?
Looks like it.
Am I supposed to be killing it?
Probably. You do have a gun.
A gun with no ammo. Oh,
It's like a
please.
boss.
What is that? I want it. Oh, it's grenades.
Can you hit it with a grenade?
Yes.
Oh,
Don't judge
gross.
me.
Just kidding. This whole thing is based off how good we are at games, right? You're not allowed to miss.
Dang. That's hard mode.
Where's your life at?
It doesn't show right now, but I'm low. I got hit several times. Man, everyone's gonna be. Oh, okay. I was gonna be like, everyone's gonna make fun of me.
Oh, for not finding stuff?
Yeah, for not like going exactly where I need to go. Like I know that I hate that whenever I watch
To be
someone.
fair, a lot of people.
Like, just get it done with.
A lot of people play the game like off screen kind of thing before they play it on screen.
Oh.
But I can't fake like surprise, so I was like, I'm not gonna play this beforehand.
Just hold tight, Grim. I got this.
I thought I could kill that.
Effective. That's a
What
hard
the
mode
heck?
box right there.
What? Ugh.
Maybe shoot the boxes.
The Blarg are all over Grim's garage. Grim, are you okay?
Blurg? That sounds like someone just like, man, we gotta come up with a name for these guys. Blurg. What are some aliens we know? Zerg? Okay, Blurg.
Oh, you mean the blurgs? It reminds me of Rick and Morty.
Incoming dropship detected.
Their heads actually, to me, look like grunts from Halo, but tall. Like they grew up and lost some weight.
Oh my gosh. Oh, this could be the enemy again.
Oh,
Dang. Awesome.
eventually. Okay, eventually people will
This
look
is
back
like
on this.
still basically the tutorial level.
Is it?
I mean, I'm still being told like what to do. I mean, this is the first level.
Just hold tight, Grim. I got
What are all those things I'm picking up? What's this?
There you go. That was beautiful.
These guys are able to take grenades to their faces.
dropship detected.
That was actually, there was a little volley of bullets in there that you dodged, and it looked real impressive.
Oh, I didn't even notice. Oh gosh.
And you're dead. You
No, I got this.
gotta kill a ship while there's other guys around you.
Oh.
Is that, so which one, where's the health at?
Oh, it's the top, right there.
No,
0
no,
out of
like,
20.
is
Oh,
there
the
health pickups?
Opponent's health? Yeah, I think so. Oh wow.
I would offer to take over, but I don't know the controls. So it'd be just as bad for the first little while.
Just hold tight, Grim. I got this.
Oh gosh.
Incoming dropship detected. Oh boy, out of 4 bots.
Oh, how much health does that thing have?
I don't know. I'm getting real mad though that it keeps hitting me.
Yeah, sorry about that. Got held up on a project.
Oh,
thank you.
slow-mo.
Just throw that
Didn't kill anyone underneath it? Okay. Are you out of ammo?
Oh, I have. No, I am.
is always good.
Satisfied?
Yes.
All right, Grim. Coast is clear. Can you open up?
Ratchet, what in Sony's name just exploded?
Sorry about that, Grim.
Joni's
Listen,
name.
Get my tools ready. I just found
Oh my
something in
gosh.
the desert I need to look at.
Was that sacrilegious there?
What?
What kind of factory is this?
If I said Zoni's
This?
name, that's who
Oh,
they
this is
worship?
a garage.
I was just
Lived here since
mocking
I was
them.
a kid. Come on, let's get you fixed up.
Such a monster.
Probably.
I'm so sorry, Slurm.
Clank explained Drek's plan to
Whatever their
attack
name
the
is.
Hall of Heroes. With the Galactic Rangers out of the equation, Ratchet knew he had to help, even though neither he nor Clank had the upper body strength necessary for hero
Oh
work.
dang.
I can totally help.
Oh, I could not ask a civilian to get involved in something so dangerous.
No, I'm not just a civilian. The Rangers are actually my, friends. Why do you think I have so many pictures of them?
Ratchet doesn't have any
But
friends.
why are you not in any of them?
Well, someone had to take the picture, right? I mean, come on. I even have a ship. It disassembles so I can
That
infiltrate
looks like a
enemy
pack of
strongholds.
gum.
So what do you say?
I don't know why. That's what I saw when it first.
That's strange. I'm picking up something from Navalis.
It appears to be some sort of distress signal.
Wait, did we just get like a
But
jump
it's
into the
being
future?
jammed using a Blargian
I don't
signal
even know.
Now they're
Yes?
people probably watching this, like completely understanding the story, and like these guys are idiots.
That's usually how I am whenever I watch anything.
The computer would have told us if we were in any real danger.
Fatal crash imminent. Would you like to record your last will and testament?
Admittedly, that's not super promising.
Why would you?
What?
It says fatal crash imminent, so they let go of the steering wheel. Just like whatever. We know this is a video game
Yeah.
for younger people.
I don't know about that. That first level was hard.
Well, yeah, I know, but there's no gore.
A
or
young
anything.
person could never do what I just did.
I fixed worse.
You got like a
Okay.
7-year-old sends you a video of them
I
like
am an
mastering
adult.
this level.
Wait a
Oh
second.
my gosh.
Is that raritanium?
Alright, I gotta turn off the AC, so I'm gonna step away from the
Okay.
mic real quick.
What? How come I get... Ah!
No.
The mic. Upgrades.
Here's where you pick your weapon. Let me walk you through the... You're gonna need raritanium for this stuff, but we'll use some of mine for now.
Okay.
All you gotta do is pick one of them cells.
Use listen highlight upgrades at the starting point. Got it.
Thank goodness for editing.
These things chain together. Go ahead and fill out the whole chain.
Why is it
Alright, just confirm the transaction.
happening here? My mic's falling over.
You done broke it.
There we go.
More pain, more gain.
Hey, you surrounded a mystery cluster. Now that's gonna give you a big boost.
Oh.
That's all there is to it. Give it a spin on one of your own.
We get to upgrade individual things?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. Actually, we have to stop it right here.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Next time, we will continue upgrading stuff.